guys, it's your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. So I know my energy is super low right now, but I literally just woke up. It is currently 10 o'clock. Okay, I'm lying. I woke up like an hour ago, maybe an hour and 30 minutes ago, but this is I just got out the bed. So I'm about to do a saltwater cleanse, sea salt water cleanse, saltwater flush. There we go, saltwater flush. And I was like, let me do this on camera. Because I see a lot of people doing it, and let me just give y'all some background to how I got to wanting to do this. So first, I'm in like a lot of keto groups on Facebook. It helps me stay like accountable and to like see, they used to be posting all the time. Sometimes it's really annoying, but whatever. And so this lady was posting about this saltwater flush that she did, and she like, it's so funny. They talk about how like it makes you poop and don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. So being Celeste, they said don't do it, so I'm gonna do it because I want to see if it's really what they're saying or they're just being like dramatic as fuck. If they're being super dramatic. So y'all saw I caught that curse word. She's trying. So I'm trying to get my eyes open one. I'm gonna try it. So I originally wanted to do what is it called? A colonic, where you like go to the little like spa place and they do that stuff and get the poop out, your large and small intestine. But I watched a YouTube video on it. And y'all, they actually make you stick a tube up your butt. And I was like, oh no ma'am, because nothing goes up this booty. Nothing. So yeah, she's not doing that. So I was like, this is the second best option. You know, I just have to swallow this down. And yeah, I think this is, I hope it works. Because like, let me just give y'all a little moment to know a little tidbit about me. This is a moment of transparency for me. I'm not going to say I have an addiction to laxatives. I will say that I used to. I haven't had laxatives in like almost a month, so I think that's pretty good. I don't want to say addiction, but like I used to, like, yeah, I guess it was an addiction. Not an addiction, but like when I would use them, I would use more than I needed to. So the recommended amount is like 1 to 3 tablets, and if I was taking a laxative, I would take like 6. I don't know, it's so weird. Y'all put like, what the hell, girl? I would take, at the most I've taken like 8. I know it's psychotic, like saying it out loud, I go like, girl, that's psychotic. But I don't know, it's just like the feeling. This is about to get really TMI, so just pause the volume if you don't hear it. But the feeling of like pooping, like I don't like, just like explosive, like I don't know, it's so weird. So actually, I'm not gonna talk about this because it's nasty. It just does something to me, like just like, and it's just like everything, like the feeling of just knowing that my colon is like really clean. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna stop because y'all are probably like, this girl is straight up nasty. So yes, so I'm trying to get over my unhealthy usage of laxatives, and the reason why I really stopped is because I read this article of this girl getting colon cancer. And like, first off, if you live in America, if you just living at all, like it's already a chance you're gonna get cancer. So I was like, I don't want to like heighten up my chances of getting it by doing something to myself. Like that's stupid. So that really like made me be like, girl, yeah, we're gonna have to stop. So that is what caused me to look into other healthy alternatives to like cleaning my colon, because although like the laxatives make you like go to the restroom a lot, I feel like you still don't really get a good cleanse, and it's like just like the top, and I want like the top, the big and the lower intestine clean. So yes, that was the nasty part. You can turn the volume back on. I mean, if you turn the volume back off, if you turn it off during that part, you wouldn't even know to turn it back on right now. So whatever, but let's get started. So for the saltwater cleanse, you're gonna need, it's very simple. I know you lying. My camera is literally dying on me, y'all. Like that's so disrespectful. So disrespectful. Okay guys, so I'm back. Sorry, my camera decided to die on me, so I had to let it charge for a little sec. I mean, I don't even know why I need to tell y'all I'm back because it's gonna be edited out. So whatever. Anyways, so yes, saltwater cleanse, all the same ingredients. So you need non-iodine salt. So this is sea salt. Some people use pink Himalayan salt. When I went to Kroger last night, I couldn't find none. So I already had sea salt at home, so I was like, I'm just gonna use sea salt, and it's called a saltwater cleanse. So yeah, but it said the salt had to be non-iodine, iodines. I'm not saying it, so I'm probably saying it wrong, whatever. This salt does not supply iodine, a necessary nutrition. So boom, got that. And you need water. You need 4 cups of water. So I have my cup thingy, and I have a teaspoon because you need 2 teaspoons of salt water. So let's get started. I already have the water in this water bottle just to make, ooh, I'm glad I didn't try to pour it from there because it's all, just to make things a little bit easier. So we have 1 cup. Ooh, not a messy poo. Oh, we're making a mess. First off, this is a lot of water. Oh, you're supposed to do this on an empty cup. Y'all, first off, this cup is not even gonna hold. Hold on. Hold 4 cups. Honestly, I'm getting a little. First off, y'all, this cup, this is not. I still need 1 more cup. Will this hold it? Let me try this cup instead. 24 ounces. I don't like this cup. Let me use this pink cup. I like this cup. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Let me get over the sink so I don't make a mess. Okay, so this one was way better. So I just need 1 more cup. Hold on. Wow, that's a lot of water. Damn, that's a lot of water. I'm actually getting a little nervous now. So, we're pouring this in. I'm really messy, so. This is what 4 cups of water looks like. First off, this is a lot of water. I'm gonna put it in the microwave because it won't even fit in the microwave. WTF, y'all. I don't know what I'm supposed to do doing that. I didn't even think this through. Will this fit in the microwave? Yes, okay. So I'm just gonna do half the water in here. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, this is real life, honey. Real life, honey. So you're supposed to have it lukewarm. So I'm gonna put it in for 30 seconds. And oh, I have some lemons too. I cut them into like little chasers because oh my god, that was literally a seed. Cut them into little chasers. My camera is dying again, y'all. Okay guys, so I'm back. My camera is just doing a lot. So the water is warm. It's supposed to be warm. This is actually hot, but I still have some left in here. So I'm thinking when I pour the warm water into some of this cold, it'll be a good temperature. It's at warm and it's feeling kind of hot to me. But, so yes, this is 4 cups. And you're supposed to do 2 tablespoons of the salt. And you're supposed to chug. Oh, and you're supposed to do this on an empty stomach. I forgot to say that. You're supposed to do this on an empty stomach. Or if you're gonna do it in the morning, on an empty stomach. If you're gonna do it at night, you have to wait like 3 hours after like your last meal. So your stomach's like not, I guess, processing food still. This is a lot of salt, y'all. Like, I don't even think, like if you got diabetes or something, I don't think this is probably good for you to do. Okay, this is the first, oh, let me put it up in the camera so y'all can see. So this is the first one. Ooh, look at that salt going down. And then we're about to do the second one. This salt thingy is like hard to maneuver. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, and this is the second one. I'm gonna shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the devil up. It seems like my top ain't working too good. Let me put it over here. Shake it up. It didn't say to shake it up, but I'm gonna shake it up. Okay, and since you're supposed to just chug it down as fast as possible, you have to do it under 5 minutes. So here goes nothing, y'all. This is probably gonna be disgusting as hell, so don't judge me. I have my lemons here just in case. It says you can put the lemons in for the taste, but you know, I just wanna take it down. So here we go. It's nasty. I know you lying. It is nasty. Ooh, Jesus, I don't have to do this. This is nasty. This is really nasty. Oh, the salt didn't help. Lemon didn't help. Don't do the lemon. Don't do the lemon. Ugh. Oh, this is nasty. Y'all. I still got 2 more gulps. Okay, you can do this, girl. You can do this. You is strong. You is a strong black woman. You can do this, girl. Just chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Okay. I'm never doing this again. So this better work because my body is literally getting hot right now. This is nasty. Whew, okay, one more, girl, one more. Oh, this is nasty, bro. Oh my god. Oh, I'm over it. I don't want to take no more. Oh, I'm glad I did this on camera because honestly, I would not finish this. This is nasty. Okay, I think this is gonna be the last of it. Oh, that was really nasty. I literally feel like I'm about to throw up right now. Told you the lemon. The lemon and the salt is not a good mix. But oof, my stomach is feeling so full right now. I'm in my pajamas, so y'all can't really see, but my stomach is feeling so full, and she's looking real slim too. Okay. Oh y'all, excuse me. So it says it takes up to 30 minutes to 2 hours to work, and everything's supposed to fall out. So I'm gonna let you guys know after I have my moment how it went. But yeah, that's it. Oh y'all, I kind of feel I gotta go. I'll be back in about 4 hours to let you guys know how it's gone so far. Okay guys, so I'm back. It is now 2:25. So I did the saltwater flush at, I know there's a lot of background noise. I have the windows open because it's a really nice day outside and like the fresh air is coming in. So just ignore the background noise if you hear it. But so it's now 2:25. When I first started the saltwater flask, it was like at 10. I think I said the time on the video. I think it was like 10. So it's been, I'm not going to, we'll say 5 hours later. 10 to 11, 11, 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2. 4, it's just 4 hours later, and I feel good. Like, honestly, I was scared that I was going to be, like, shitting all day, but it wasn't even like that. It's 2 o'clock, and, like, I feel like my body is done with, like, pooping. So, after I got the video with y'all, I went and laid down and did some, like, stretches, because it was saying that, like, it helps if you do, like, yoga stretches so it can get all through the organs and stuff. I mean, your colon. So, I did that, and then, like, maybe like it was actually like 30 minutes later, like I had the first little burst. Whoo, yeah, it came out, y'all. I only went to the restroom 3 times. Like it was just 3 like solid, just like volcano eruptions, and then I was good. Like I feel good. My waist beads, so I got some new waist beads. Y'all can see them. They were like when I started this morning, they were like all the way up here tight, and like they've already like dropped. So that's good. Yeah, that's awesome because I got these waist beads done on Monday. Was it Monday? Today's Thursday, so I think it was Tuesday, and they were so tight, y'all. I could barely breathe. Like, so I'm really excited that they're starting to drop and loosen up because now I can actually move around. So yeah, I don't know how many pounds I lost, but I could definitely tell like my stomach area that she got rid of some poopy poop. So I said I was gonna do it again, but so today is the 20th. Is it the 20th? Today's the 20th, yeah. So I'm going to Mississippi for Thanksgiving. So I know I'm probably gonna eat good because like, you know, my family go down. So so I'm probably gonna eat really good. So I think I'm gonna do it again, but this time when I do it, I'm gonna do it with the Himalayan salt. So I went and brought some from Burlington, but I left it in the car. It was only $1 too. So if you're looking for some pink Himalayan salt for the Lolo, Burlington Coat Factory. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna do it again, even though I said I wouldn't because it was so nasty. But it really works, guys. It like I feel like I got a better cleanse from doing that than I do with the laxatives, because the laxatives just have you feeling like yucky all day, but that just like it really just like pushed it on out and I was good. My phone is blowing up, honey. But yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna do it again with the pink Himalayan salt and see if there's a difference, like if it's a better flush, and maybe a little bit warmer water. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you try the sea water, sea salt flush, the salt water, my bad, salt water flush, and you had good results, let me know. If you did something different, let me know. Just let me know in general, because I love talking to you guys. But yes, I'm about to go eat now, because it's been literally, I started fasting yesterday, so it's been literally like 18 hours since I've ate, so I'm hungry. So hopefully I don't have any bad effects from eating food, because I'm not about to eat no like juice. I'm not about to be like juice. I'm about to eat me a meal. So we'll see, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.